他签了，手续完了。
The first step, stand up and branch. First draw the foreground main tree double hook tall and straight in front, single hook snakes behind, establishing the skeleton and hierarchy of the picture. Step 2. Splash ink. Point leave stick. Ink splashes on the single hook tree, and the ink is dripping. Change the long front and point the double hook tree. The double hook is delicate, and the primary and secondary are clear. Step 3. The grass is secluded. Deadly light ink sweeps out the grassland, leaving the white painted path open, cleverly connecting the foreground and the middle ground. The space is suddenly alive. Step 4. Yuanshan had to change the pen and turn green, and the flanker sweeps out the distant mountains. Think is clear, the artistic conception is full, and the line of sight is directed to the distance. Step 5. Color sealedry ochre, light green dyed grass, broken color into leavest. Final seal was stamped, and a outing jumped onto the paper.
这张画主要是通过一种树表现这种春天的到来，有人他签了，手续完了。